Hello?
Someone's right there.
Who are you?
Oh, he's still chasing it. He's still chasing us?
Yes!
Holy shit.
Oh shit. Move, fat bitch!
Damn.
Heaven. Dude, is he just some geezer with ears? Backshots, bam, 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 bam. Cheegan.
Oh good heavens. Move! Oh look, who wants to join? Hello? How are you? You're pushing me. I can see you pushing me. You want to end it here now?
Give me the camera.
Oh goddamn!
What'd you buy there?
This is the part of the video where we're like, whoa. How did we do that?
I'm gonna cover your face.
Uh,
I was joking. I was joking.
Outlast.
Fucking idiot.
How much on that thing you got? Dude, no way!
Oh!
Spinal cord.
Oh!
No way.
Oh!
Oh, sweet. I'm scared. I'm so fucking scared right now.
Oh, okay, we gotta go.
Man, I'm nearly dead.
See ya.
Whoa. Lasers. Wee. Do you think we can make it there? Those lasers? Or no?
I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Turtle!
Still. Oh, hell no. Fuck that.
What happened? What
I don't
happened?
know, man. Look. I don't know. Sweet. What would have blew out your ass, boy? Another burn? Whoa. Stinky.
Another bone? It's the same bone, bitch. What are you buying, big boy? Diamond knock knock. It's $150. Welcome back to episode 17 of Haunted Fortnite. I'm back with your boy, Diamond Gaming, Yady Evan.
Oh, it's a turtle. Don't.
POV, Fortnite General Pass came out yesterday, and this is my reaction. Whoa, boys. Did you guys see that? It's my big friend.